नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी प्रदीप भागवत सर एन जी पुरंदरे हायस्कूल मुलुंड मॅथ अधिक सोपे होण्यासाठी घेऊन येत आहे एक सुंदर व्हिडिओ मॅथ 1 लेसन नंबर 4 रेशो अँड प्रपोर्शन प्रॅक्टिस सेट 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 and 3 and denominator. Using this property, fill in the blanks, substituting proper number in the following. Question number 1, 5 upon 7 is equal to dash dash upon 21 is equal to 35 upon dash dash is equal to 3 dash dash upon 3.5. Solution. Let's 5 upon 7 equal to dash dash upon 21. This is the first fraction. So which number is multiplied by 7 to get 28 answer? So the number is 4. 7 4s are 28. 4 is a k. K is also multiplied by numerator. 4 is multiplied by numerator. 5 4s are 20. So 20 is the correct answer. Then second, 5 upon 7 is equal to 35 upon dash dash. Which number is multiplied by 5 to get 35? 5 7s are 35. So 7 is multiplied by denominator. 7 7s are 49. So we get answer 49. Then last, 5 upon 7 is equal to dash dash upon 3.5. Which number is multiplied by 7 to get 3.5? 7's half. 7 half is 3.5. So 7 is multiplied by 1 upon 2. Then numerator also multiplied by 1 upon 2. 5 is half, 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. Means 5 is half 2.5. Second, fill in the blanks. 9 upon 14 is equal to 4 point upon dash dash. 4.5 is a half number, half to the 9. So 9 is multiplied by 1 upon 2 and 14 is also multiplied by 1 upon 2. 9 is half 14.5. Then 14's half is equal to 7. The correct answer is 7. Then second, 9 upon 14 is equal to dash dash upon 42. Which number is multiplied by 14 to get 42? 14 3s are 42. So 3 is multiplied by numerator 3. Now 9 3s are 27. The second answer is 27. Then 9 upon 14 is equal to dash dash upon 3.5. Which number is multiplied 14 to get 3.5? 3.5 double 7 and also next time 7. So 1 upon 4. 14 into 1 upon 4 get answer 3.5. So 1 upon 4 is multiplied by 9. 9 1 upon 4 9 2 the 8 2 2 right 25. Correct answer is 25. 2.25. Question number 2. Find the following ratio. First example, the ratio of the radius to circumference of the circle. We solve it. Let radius of the circle equal to r. You know the formula of the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r. The ratio is r upon 2 pi r. So r cancel, we get 1 upon 2 pi. Ratio 1's 2 pi. It's very easy. Then question number 2, second, the ratio of the circumference of circle with radius r to its area. Radius r and to its area. Circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. The area of the circle is pi r square. So ratio 2 pi r upon pi r into r. R into r means r square. R cancel, pi cancel, so we get answer 2 r. Then diagonal of third question. The ratio of the diagonal of the sphere of its side if the length of the side is 7 centimeter. This is the sphere and length of the side is 7 and diagonal. So diagonal of the sphere is root 2 into side. Formula is root 2 into side. So root 2 into 7 and length of the square is 7. The ratio equal to, ratio means divide, root 2 into 7 upon 7. 7 cancel, we get answer root 2, denominator is 1, root 2 is 1. Now perimeter of fourth problem. The length of the side of rectangle are 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Find the ratio of its perimeter of area. Now perimeter of the rectangular, you know the formula, 2 bracket L plus D equal to 2, length is 5 plus that 3.5. You get answer 2, 8.5. 8.5 double 70 centimeter. Now area of rectangle. You know the area of rectangle formula. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length is 5, breadth is 3.5. Multiply 5 multiply by 3.5, you get 17.5. 17.5. So ratio equal to 17 upon 17.5. We multiplied both numerator and denominator by 2. So we get answer 17 to the 30.4 and 17.5 into 2 we get 35. So ratio is 34 upon 35. Question number 3. Compare the following pairs of ratio. Comparing the ratios we are studied in lesson number 2, surds. Same way, these are the example. For solving this, we know the properties of ratios. First we learn the properties of ratio. There are two ratios, A upon B, C upon D, A upon B, C upon D, A upon B, C upon D. Also there are three properties for the ratios. A upon B, C upon D. This is the first property. We learn first property. Make the cross multiplication. Make this way cross multiplication. A into D and B into C. A into D and B into C. If this multiplication are equal, A into D and B into C are equal values, then these are the equal ratio. So put the sign equal to. These ratios are equal. This is the first property. Second property, A upon B, C upon D. Make the cross multiplication. A into D and B into C. The first cross multiplication is greater than second one. So the first fraction is greater than second. And third property, again two ratios, A upon B, C upon D. So make the cross multiplication, A into D and B into C. If second multiplication is greater than first, then second fraction is greater than first one. These are the three properties. first property, second property and third property. Using this property we solve the above example. Take the first example. First fraction is root 5 upon 3 and second fraction is root 3 upon 7. 3 upon root 7, sorry. Root 3 means root 9. Root 9's value is root 9's value is 3. So we make like terms root 5 upon root 9. Root 9 means 3. Root 9 upon root 7. These are the like terms. So make the cross multiplication. Root 5 into root 7 and root 9 into root 9. So this multiplication is root 35 and this multiplication is root 81. Which is the value is greater? So root 81 is greater than root 35. So put the sign root 81 is greater than. So second C upon D is greater than A upon B. Then second example. Three root 5 upon 5 root 7 and root 63 upon root 125. These are the mixed surds and these are the simple surd. We make these surds as a mixed surds. So 3 root 5, 5 root 7, 63 is a 9 table. 9 sevens are 63 and 125 is a 25 table. 25 5s are 125. So 3 root 5 upon 5 root 7. This square root of 9 is 3 root 7 and square root of 25 is 5 root 7. This 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is equal. So cancel 3 upon 5. Remaining is root 5 upon root 7 and root 7 upon root 5. So make the cross multiplication. Root 25 and root 49. Which value is greater? Root 49. So put the sign root 49 is greater than root 25. So the second C upon D is greater than A upon D. Third example. Y upon 18, 17 upon 121. So make the cross multiplication. 5 into 121 and 17 into 18. So make 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 1 and plus 1 6, 17 8s are 30, 6 and 17 are 13 is a 17 plus 13 30. So 605 is greater than 306. So 5 upon 18 is greater than 17 upon 121. 5 upon 18 is greater than 17 upon 121. Now in this way upon root 48 and C upon D root 40, 5 upon root 27. is 80 and 40 is 16 table. So 16 5 are 80 and 16 3 are 48. 45 9 table. 9 5 are 45 upon 9 3 are 27. So 4 root 5 upon 4 root 3, and root 9's value 3, so 3 upon root 5 and 3 upon root 3. So 4 4 get cancelled, 3 3 get cancelled. So the multiplication is root 5 into root 3. Root 5 into root 3. So both value are equal. So this fraction is equal. Now last example 5. 9.2 upon 5.1 and 3.4 upon 7.1. Look this fraction. This value is greater than 1. Suppose we divide 9.2 by 5.1, we get the greater than 1, and this value denominator is greater than numerator. So if you divide 3.4 by 7.1, we get the value less than 1. So 9.2 upon 5 get value greater than 1, and 3.4 upon 7.1 get value less than 1. So which factor is greater than? 9.2 upon 5 is greater than 3.4 upon 7.1, or both all decimals are in same places, so forget decimals. 92 upon 51 and 34 upon 71. So make the cross multiplication. 92 into 71 and 34 into 51, both value are greater than this value, so this multiplication is greater than second. So 9.2 is greater than 5.1. 9.2 upon 5.1 is greater than 3.1 upon 7.1. So we 4.2 we completed question number 3.